pumpkin spice latte.
Hi everybody, and welcome to Man Cake, where we play before we eat and always lick the bowl. I'm Dan. If you enjoy a good slice of cake and something sweet, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos and click that bell like a cake boss so you know when brand new content is posted. Thanks to the barista overlords, we're kicking off autumn just a wee bit early this year. Oversized scarves and fuzzy socks? Yes please. Halloween costume? Already purchased. Christmas gift list? Hey babe, did you email me your Christmas list yet?
It's not even Labor Day yet.
So that's a no?
No.
You get my point, internet. So let's preheat those ovens to 350 degrees and get to what we're all here for. PSL cake. Sidebar, I can't be the only one who thinks it's financially smart to shop early, right? Let me know in the comments below. In a decently sized bowl, combine 1 2/3 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of canola oil, usually I use coconut, but I'm all out today, and 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. I really like to get my pumpkin mixed for about 5 minutes on a low speed. Once our first 3 ingredients are combined, we can add in 4 eggs and continue to mix until our batter is smooth. In a separate bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves. You can always substitute the cloves for 1/8 of allspice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we just give all this a gentle mix and get a big whiff of that divine autumn aroma. With all of our dry ingredients mixed, we want to gradually add in our dry ingredients to the wet while mixing at a low speed. Once we add in all the dry, we can move to a medium-low speed for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Now, we just pour our cake batter into our prepared pan of choice, lined with parchment paper to prevent any sticky bottoms. And bake for 35 to 40 minutes. While our cake bakes, let's move along to our creamy frosting. Start with 16 ounces of cream cheese, 2 sticks of butter at room temperature, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Next, we'll want to cream on a high speed for about 10 minutes until the cream cheese and butter are well combined. Now that we have a good consistency, we can start adding in 3 cups of powdered sugar. Then, keep mixing until all the powdered sugar is well mixed. Now, to put it all together, level your cake and place the bottom layer on top of your cake stand. Then, top that bottom layer with our cream cheese frosting. We'll add our top layer upside down to give a nice, flat, smooth surface. Now we can get a little bit fancy and pipe some cream cheese rosettes on top of the cake, because why not? and just a little dusting of powdered sugar. There we have it, our quick fix pumpkin spice latte cake with cream cheese frosting.
Pumpkin, meat, spice. You guys are gonna be best friends.
Are there any cakes and desserts you just love to have? Let me know down below in the comments. And give a thumbs up and subscribe for more man cake recipes. Don't forget, life is short, so lick the bowl. Until next week, bye!